Okay, here we are working on the 34 Chev pickup truck. Taking all the wood out of it. It's my buddy's truck. And he's replacing all the wood pieces with some 1/8 sheet or flat stock. Cutting it and carving it to make it fit the door frames and everything. He's redone this top piece, formed that himself, and just put the rocker panel in place, and hung the door. That's some pretty good gappage for something that's so frickin' old. A little bit of trimming and filing and sanding. She'll be a beaut. Small block 350 in it. I think his transmission's out of a S10 with, or no, it's out of a Camaro with a S10 tail shaft put on it. So it moves the gear shift further forward. Rear end, I think it's out of the S10 too. And the original leaf springs, new ones, super sliders. The box, I would say, is mint. Okay, not quite. With some serious issues. And I don't think he has any rear fenders yet. But there's a stockpile of other stuff. 34 Chev. It's got extra roofs, extra doors. A couple of crappy grill shells over there, and a couple of good ones. Good front fenders, cowl, and if you need a center section of the 34 Chev frame, it's behind that cowl there. Alrighty. Sorry, recorded with my phone. I'm over in the big city of Vancouver, and I forgot to bring my camera to record this. Good enough for now.